So, Mano, last time we have discussed something like comprehension concept, right? List comprehension. So today we'll discuss few more comprehension, and with this major topics are going means four few topics are covered. We have Flask and Django. And I put them next week. Your core Python will be completed. So now let's see. Concentrate on this word. See, actually, in Python we don't have directly tuple comprehension. We have to use particular function here. See now, what did I say? My tuple equal to tuple is a function which is going to convert an element value into integer. For element in 135, that means it is in string. The string will get converted into integer and it will go into print it. Got it? Right now? Ah. So one more example you can see. Say my tuple equal to tuple element to the power 2 for element in 135 means each and every value will be written and it will go for a power value. Because 1 to the power 2, 3 to the power 2, 5 to the power 2, right? Or so let's talk about set comprehension. How we use set comprehension. My list, I have given all the list value. New set equal to element into 3. That means each value will be multiplied with 3. For element in my list. Same. Got it? Clear? Right now, set comprehension. What happened yesterday? Yeah, for only core Python, no? Basic Python. ఎప్పుడు వెళ్ళాలా ఓవర్ ఏ ప్రోగ్రామ్ you can see a new concept here. The same thing, what is the previous example, but I said one more new word. So this is my list. I have converted this list into set, element into 3. Each and every value will be multiplied with 3. For element in my list, each and every value will be read from my list. After that, if the element is divisible by 2 and you get the remainder 0, that means you're going to print the values. Check it out. You have all the values, but only the even numbers are printed. Got it? This is one more example of set comprehension. Hmm? So my set equal to again same, but now this is in set. Can you see the bracket? New set equal to element into 2 to the power 2 for element in my set. Now it is going to give you in a random number. Can you see? Randomly it is going, not in order. Why? Because set always reads randomly. Right? ఏమైంది ఓ చెప్తాడా చేసుకో కనుక్కో ఒకవేళ ఓకే అనేస్తే మళ్ళీ డైరెక్ట్ గా ట్యూస్డే నుంచి అడ్వాన్స్ హ్యాపీ దివాలి బాగైందా ప్రోగ్రామ్ నిన్న కాకపోతే ఓకే సార్ ఏదో అప్డేట్ చేస్తే చెప్పు నాకు ఓకే రైట్ So next we'll go with one more concept called dictionary comprehension. See, normally in dictionary we know it works with key and value, right? So this is my key and this is my value. Num colon num into num. Okay, whatever the number you have, it will take it will multiply with the same number. For num in range 1 to 11. 1 to 10. 11 means it will go up to 10. So 1 into 1, 2 into 2, 3 into 3, 4 into 4. And each and every key will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Keys are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Values are, the key will be multiplied with the same key. Now see. Let's see perfectly. 1, 1, 2, 4, 3, 9, 4, 16, 5, 7. Can you see? Got it? So see how simple we can do the work when we have the concept called comprehension. No need of giving a lot of logics in behind them. Simple way in a single line we can do the work. Right now? Turn over.
Yes, sir.
Now, one more point. See, a very interesting point. You have some price with key and value. Milk, coffee, bread. Already the values are there. But I want to multiply this value with some value. That is $2 I'll take it as 0.76. That means every time the value should be multiplied with 0.76. That is 1.0, 0 to 2.5, 2.5. So how we are working, see? In this, the entire line, make sure these all are maximum keyword. But only the last word which you have is a predefined function, items. New price equal to item colon value. What is item? Key. Value. Already the value are there. Into $2 for item and value. These are the variables. Item and value. In old price. That is nothing but the variable. Dot items. You have to convert it into items. Now if you print the price, multiply the value, you'll get 0.7745. Got the logic? Clear? So what you guys need to do a small task in this 2-3 days. Take a person name and their salary. Okay? Say example 30,000 is a salary. The salary should be incremented by 10%. When I see the output, salary should be 30,300. That is 33,000. Because 10%, 30,000, 10% is 3,000. Yes? So this value should get added. The output be updated value, just like this one. But 10% should get included. Clear? First write on this. అంటే ఇది ఇండివిజువల్ గా ఐటమ్స్ కలెక్ట్ చేస్తాం. ముందు చూసాం కదా ఓడి డాట్ ఐటమ్స్ అని మన డేటా సెట్ చూసాం. What? Hmm? Let's see one more example here. I have the age of various persons whose age is even number. That number should be printed. Anil, Suresh, Prasad, Kiran. Key and value. For key and value in OD dot items. OD is what? The variable. Dot items. I said you to convert that value into items. Each and every item should be splitted because everything is in a one particular place. Now what it is checking, if the value is divisible by 2 and the remainder is 0, then remainder is 0, then it is basically an even number. So that age will be printed. Right? ఇక్కడ ఓడి ప్లేస్ లో కాదమ్మా, అంటే ఐటమ్స్ ఏం చేస్తారంటే ఈ రెండింటిని సెపరేట్ చేసేస్తారు. సురేష్ 48 ని సెపరేట్ చేస్తారు. ఆ ఐటమ్స్ వాడితేనే అవుతుంది. ఎందుకంటే ప్రీ డిఫైన్డ్ ఐటమ్స్ ఇస్ ప్రీ డిఫైన్డ్ ఫంక్షన్. Guys, same again with some example of list. You can see new list x for x in range of 1 to 51. If the number is divisible by 2 and the number is divisible by 5, see in a one single line you can use multiple conditions. సింటాక్స్ గుర్తుంచుకోండి, చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్. బికాస్ అండ్ ఎక్కడ వాడాలి అండ్ ఎక్కడ వాడకూడదు, ఇఫ్ ఎలా వాడాలి, ఫర్ లూప్ కాంప్రిహెన్షన్ లో ఎలా ఉండాలి, దట్ ఈస్ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్. రైట్, దిస్ ఈస్ టు చెక్ the number is divisible by 2 and 5 or not, between 1 to 50. ఎక్కడ ఓకే, ఎందుకంటే keywords are anywhere you can use it, but the concept is how do we use that, that's important. ఇక్కడ మీరు if వాడండి, or you can use if, like multiple if you are using. Okay, or then or Hmm? Now see, I've given all the numbers between 1 to 1000, in which I want to find out in whatever the value we have 6, wherever we have a 6 value, that value will be printed. Check it out. Hello? 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 So empty list for I in range of 1 to 1000. I've given the value. Nums dot append. I value will get added to num. So Q2 answer equal to num for num in nums. If 6 is present, that 6 should be converted into string. If 6 is present in, directly don't use num, because all the numbers should be again converted into string. In that string, if you have a word letter called 6, that will be printed. Am I clear? String తీసేస్తే ఎలా అవుతుంది? అది 6 కి కూడా తీసేయాలి కదా. ఇప్పుడు 6 తీసేస్తే ఇంటీజర్ ఎప్పుడు ఇటరబుల్ లో పనిచేయదు. అర్థమైంది పాయింట్? క్లియర్? లాజిక్ వాడుకోవాలి. ప్రతి వర్డ్ కి ఎంత లెంత్ ఉంది, లెంత్ ఉంటే అలా ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి. చేయొచ్చు కానీ దాంట్లో పెద్ద కొద్దిగా లాజిక్స్ కావాలి. ఈ సింటాక్స్ తో పనిచేయదు. ఇవన్నీ చెప్పాను కదా ఆల్రెడీ. So guys, actually one more topic in this core, we have a concept called regular expression, which is nothing but a concept of validation, to validate. Because when you talk about any sort of scripting language, like your Gmail ID, at the rate is mandatory, particular word is present or not. To do all sorts of manipulation, you can use a concept called regular expression. See, You can just see the output first, please concentrate. We have a regular expression package. For that we use import RE. Now I want to check it out whether string starts with THE and ends with Spain or not. It might be a letter, it might be a word. TXT equal to the rain in Spain. X is equal to RE dot search. For the starting letter, you have to use caret symbol. Ending letter, you have to use it with a star and dollar. That is a syntax for regular expression. And there is a function called search. So if that value is existed, you'll get a message, yes, we have a match. Because your string is what? The rain in Spain. Am I clear? Right? Right up. Regular expression, which is used for validation. Over. Over. Now it has to check it out whether our particular word is available in a list. See, the rain in Spain. X is equal to RE dot find all. What is the word you want to find out? AI inside a text. Can you see you're getting the value in the list? Clear? The rain in Spain. Right? So find all is the other method. Two times వచ్చింది కదా ఇగో ఐఎన్ ఉంది కదా ఏఐ ఉంది కదా రెయిన్ లో So Monday we don't have a class, okay, because of Diwali. So Tuesday we'll continue. Meet the morning na call. So advance happy Diwali to all. We'll meet on Tuesday with a new topic, with a new website development. Okay, we'll start with Django and Flask. Sorry, right. You guys need to install Anaconda. Please install Anaconda in your systems. Okay. And the maximum try to get your laptop when you come, because this is hands-on experience. You guys have to practically do it. Okay. Just install Anaconda, that is sufficient. And once it is installed, now I'll show you now what you have to. Just concentrate the screen. Yeah, over. So when you open, once your Anaconda is installed, you'll have Anaconda prompt. Go to prompt. In this prompt, just type pip install Django. It's already there in my system. But your system should get connected with internet. Okay, while you're installing Django. Anyhow, for downloading, you need. For installation, you don't need any internet connection. Once your download is over. So some system installation takes 5 minutes, some takes 15, so sometimes 1 hour. So don't shut down the system in between if it is not downloaded. Means if it is not installed. Let it install. It may take time, but it will install. Depending on the processing, that's it. For installation, you don't need any internet connection. Download it, install it. Once it is over, you open Anaconda prompt and type pip install Django. If you remember, well and good. If not, you can write it down. Okay. So we'll meet on Tuesday. Right? And the Django application ఈజీగా రన్ అవుతుంది. ఫైల్స్ అంతా క్రియేట్ అవడం సపోర్టింగ్ కావాలన్నప్పుడు Anaconda కావాలి. ఫ్లాస్క్ అక్కర్లేదు. అండ్ ఈవెన్ మీరు Anaconda ఫర్దర్ గా డేటా సైన్స్ కూడా యూజ్ చేయొచ్చు. ఎందుకంటే రకరకాల ప్యాకేజెస్ ఉంటాయి. రైట్? ఓకే. This hardly 7-8 classes. That's most probably I'll try to next week complete it. If not, next Monday, Tuesday. By that we'll complete. Okay, Charan. We'll meet on Tuesday.
Okay, sir.